Beautiful day here at International Dyno Authority. We have one of our favorites. This is a 2014 5.3 liter GM truck. They are the most overrated and least performing truck that we have in, which means that they are our favorite truck to actually tune. We get the biggest results, the biggest gain, and the biggest change. There is nothing, and I repeat nothing, that you can bolt on, add on, or do that will even come close to what we do here with a tune.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, on our 215 5.3 liter GM pickup truck, we've run 3 passes. The first 3 passes that we do are just your baseline passes. We want to establish what is the truck actually making for power right now. So the first pass, it made 243 foot-pounds, 224 horsepower, and it continued that on the second one. By the third one, we're down to 218 horsepower, and it's pretty much typical. Every one of these that we see pretty much makes the same. It should, according to what the factory says, make 270 horsepower when it comes in to the wheels. I've never seen one make that much power. And that's why these are such a beautiful machine for us to tune, because we get a huge difference. And basically we just bring it up to where it should be at stock and then give it another 20 or 30 horsepower. Alrighty, we finished up the tune on our 2015 Chevrolet with the 5.3 liter in it. That's going to be your L83 motor, but I can tell you the results from 2006 right up to 2019, pretty similar. We're going to tune the vehicle. We're going to get a lot more torque down low. I want to show you this. So I'm going to turn around. We're going to take a peek at this. Here is your torque now. When you step on the gas at a low RPM, around 2,000 RPM, you're just at 349 foot-pounds of torque. When the truck came in, he stepped on the gas, he was just at 201, 202 foot-pounds of torque. The peak numbers are great, they're nice, but really what we're looking for is average torque to pull you down the road because you're driving a truck. If you want better fuel mileage, you want to be able to step on the gas a lot less at a lower RPM, for a lot less time, and your fuel mileage will go up, your torque will go up, the overall enjoyment you have of your vehicle is going to go up because you're going to like driving your vehicle every single day. It's just that much more fun to drive and better on fuel.